Hi guys, it's me Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. I'm glad you stopped by. So this is a must-have, and that's what I'm calling it, a must-have. That's why I'm making a video. It's from AliExpress, and it is stamps, a set of three of them for $1.97. I don't know what the regular price is because they're 28% off right now. But well, I could do the math and figure it out. But anyway, let me show you them. There's a set of 4 different kind, and I bought all 4. So yeah, I spent $8 free shipping and handling. So to peel them off, it got all crinkly. But let me show you them. Let's see if I'm going to be able to. Are they not the prettiest things? They are so nice. Let me flip them. Maybe you can see them better and read it better if I flip it. So this one says handmade to and from. Okay, so let me show you that. Here they are, and I use them. And they're nice size. See, can you see them? Okay. And then they are stamped. I did not prep them. I just stamped, and I could not get my good ink. It's at the property, so I used what ink I had here, and I'm like, of all times. But here they are stamped. Let's see if I can get the paper to show you better. Here they are stamped. They're a nice size. 3.5 by almost 2. Isn't that pretty? So $1.97 for those 3. Okay. And they come in a bag and all that. So let's put that to the side. The next ones, let's put that to the side. I'm going to have to trim that up. Here's the next ones. Here's the 3. And here's their picture of it. This one says originally handmade with love. Original handmade with love. This is love. And I had a hard time peeling them off. It took me a minute to peel them off of this. And I did take my time so I wouldn't rip anything. And this is really all out of whack. But other than that, they are beautiful. So which ones am I showing you? I'm showing you the love ones. So here they are stamped. And I'm going to have the link down below, of course. But look at this. And I wish they had a die with it so that you could cut it. But I had to freehand it. And that's okay. It didn't take me very long. So here's those. And they're really pretty. So let's put this off to the side. The next one is these. I washed them and everything and all. And here it is. Let's see if I put it this way, you can see it better. The key, bicycle, and ticket. I don't know how well that's coming across. Okay. And let's see. On this, I stamped it on this one. I stamped just on heavy cardstock, and the same one I stamped on heavy cardstock, and then I put paper on it. See right here, I glued paper to something, and all of these, all 3 of these are stamped on the cardstock, and then the book that I had and using the book. So all I had to do is trim. So you go around the curly Q here. I cut it off like I did right there to make it a sharp edge. make it a sharp edge. I go around that curly Q and make it a sharp edge. I kind of went into the black there, but there you go. It's not too hard to cut them. You do have to fussy cut a little, but here they are with print. You can see writing and everything, but here it is without. And you pick whatever color of ink you want to use. So there's those. There's 3, and I had an extra one I punched. Okay, so then the last one. Let's get this off to the side, and I'll show you the last one. $1.97. So here, let me unstick them because they were wet. They stuck together when I washed them. They should last forever. Let's see. Here they are of their photo. And here mine are stamped. I used a brownish color stamp. Can you imagine coloring that rose in now with a little bit of pink or something? So yeah, guys, here are, when I was doing the purple, the heavy stamp is the first one. Let's see, the heavy stamp is the first one on the purple, and then my extra stamps I didn't want to waste the ink. So it depends on if you want it to look vintage or not. But guys, these are a must-have. $1.97 for these stamps. And I'm just saying, I'll leave the link, and I think y'all need to go and buy these because I think they're so darn cute. This key right here, I think would show up a lot better if it didn't have writing behind it. I'm not as happy with that one. I did that myself. But yeah, these are so cute. The purple ones are on a cream color, and this is on a white, so you can see the difference. So guys, you really need to go and check these out. They are so cute, and I'm just so happy that I found them. And I'll give you the link, and I hope that you're able to go splurge and spend $8 on yourself like I did. So yeah, this is a must-have. Thank you very much for watching. All my links are down below. Please join me in Glue Gun Chronicles and share and everything, and hit that bell because you never know when you're going to make a video, or I'm going to make a video. Bye guys.